This is an extremely basic video on the prerequisites for installing AI SQL. So essentially, you need a database management system in order to, do anything with predictive modeling or data science or machine learning and so have you. So you need a way to be able to load data, to inspect it, to edit it in various ways. You need a powerful, especially if you're going to be dealing with large, big data, large scale data. You need to have a really solid, a really good data management system. So Microsoft SQL is definitely my choice to do that. And what I would recommend you do if you haven't worked with SQL before and you're interested in predictive modeling and data science is to download this Express edition. It's a really it's fairly full featured as far as the software goes. It can handle up to 10 gigabytes with the free database. So this is an amazing, I think, offering by Microsoft, where you can download this for free, and you can start playing with, SQL Server, the SQL language. Hopefully, with some of the posts on predictivemodeler.com, you'd be kind of up and running with Microsoft SQL very quickly. You'll be able to do some basic operations fairly fast. So I'm not actually going to go through the installation. There are plenty of resources online for you to install. I'll just mention what you need. So you need the SQL Server Express Edition, but you also need the Management Studio. So it's called the SQL Server Management Studio. And so, for example, here we have like a download link, and that's also available for free. There we go. SSMS is free. So wonderful offering. I think this is fantastic for people. If you want to learn how to manage data and you don't want to shell out hundreds of dollars to install a database, you can do this for free. And once you have both of them installed, it looks something like this. So this is the management studio. So that's what you'll fire up in order to actually look at a data. So this is a database. Here we have a database, and then here we have tables. So under tables, once you install AI SQL, so there is a separate video on the installation. You can you'll have this sample data. You can inspect the data. You can select up 1,000 rows, and it'll automatically generate some code that it uses to inspect the table, and then here you have the table. So anyway, so those are the two things you need. And once again, I'm not going over the actual installation. There are resources online, but in case you have problems installing it, do comment below, let me know, and maybe what I'll do is I'll post an FAQ or something like that. So I hope you found this helpful.